The entire program was designed in such a way to impart you all the knowledge, the skills, confidence you need to begin the next bridge that is supposed to be the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. So I'm fully confident that our dean and faculty have prepared you enough to begin the next phase of the journey smoothly. But remember, when you start the BSc nursing program, it's another bridge, but little difficult. Like you play the video games, you're going up a higher level. So what will make you successful during the BSc nursing program is some of the things that the Dean Bonney has emphasized. To have the curiosity about learning. You're never too old to learn.
I think it's very important to, like Dr. Posse said, nursing is a passion, it's in your heart. I've been working 35 years in nursing. I was director, like Mr. Posse said. I work in the hospital. I study in Holland. I work at the White Yellow Cross, as you know, but I also work at the PAS, at the psychiatric care. It's usually called PAS at that time. Now it's Respaldo. I was there, the head of nurse. But the passion is in your heart. And you have to carry that on every day. A lot of patience. Patience, because when people are sick, they always, they have the pain, they're crying, and that's for you, for the coming years, a lot of patience.
The important thing is to keep learning. Ask questions. Do not be embarrassed to say, I don't know. In healthcare, pretending to know something can be dangerous. Asking for help is not weakness. It is professionalism. And remember something else. Knowledge will make you competent, but kindness makes people trust you. One day, a patient may not remember the name of the medication you gave. They may not remember the number on the monitor, but they may remember that you held their hand when they were scared. They may remember that you spoke to them as a person, not as a diagnosis or a room number, like the liver is walking to go take a picture,